Listen to me. The life you're dreaming of is waiting for you. But here's the catch. It won't wait forever. Right now, you have a choice. Keep scrolling or stay and hear the truth that could change your life. If you're ready to stop wasting time and start becoming the person you're meant to be, stick with me. What if I told you that every second you spend doubting yourself is a second stolen from your future? Every excuse you make, every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," is just one more barrier between you and the life you deserve. Here's the truth. Nobody is going to hand you greatness. Nobody is coming to save you. But the good news, you don't need saving. Everything you need is already inside you. Let me tell you a secret that most people don't understand. Success doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't care if you're tired, if you're scared, or if you failed before. Success only cares about one thing. Are you willing to show up? Are you willing to pay the price for your dreams? The people you admire, the ones you think are unstoppable, they're not special. They're just like you. But there's one key difference. They decided to stop making excuses. They decided to show up every single day, no matter how hard it got. And now it's your turn. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop looking at someone else's success and thinking, "Why not me?" Their journey is not your journey. Your only competition is the person you were yesterday. Focus on yourself, your growth, your mindset, your habits. Because when you focus on what you can control, everything changes. You stop worrying about things that don't matter. You stop letting fear hold you back. You start realizing that you're capable of so much more than you've ever imagined. Confidence doesn't come from waiting until you're ready. It comes from action, from doing the hard things, from proving to yourself that you're stronger than your excuses. So the question is, are you ready? Are you ready to stop living in the shadows of your potential? Are you ready to take the first step, even if it's scary, even if it's uncomfortable? Greatness isn't about being perfect, it's about being persistent. It's about waking up every day and deciding, today I am going to give it my all. This is your moment. Don't let it pass you by. Don't waste another second doubting yourself. Get up, take action, and show the world what you're made of. Now here's what I want you to do. Hit that like button if you're ready to unlock your potential. Comment below. What's one action you're taking today to move closer to your dreams? Share this video with someone who needs this message. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly motivational videos that will inspire you to take your life to the next level. Remember, your time is now. Let's make it happen.